Okay, so we got XK's K110s. Made some adjustments in the transmitter settings to try and soften things for the purpose of easy, mellow flying for people that are looking for something that's less aggressive. I mainly focused on the dual rates for the lower rate setting. We've really dialed back the ailerons and substantially dialed back the elevator, but not quite as much. And so here to give a little so if you give it full right, that's how much it takes to respond. Nice gentle mellow. If I had enough altitude, it would roll over, and I left the elevator enough so that it will go over the top, but it takes a much larger arc and climb out an extra altitude to accomplish it. But once you're there and you have a little bit of inverted practical understanding, it should make life a little easier on that too. I'm not sure why it sinks. And the head speed here is actually at 60%, so we're at a really low flat throttle curve. Make it nice and mellow, but still has enough to sort of roll over the top with a little bit extra altitude. So here I'll do I'm going to give it some right aileron, and it's going to drift left. You can see it takes a lot to... It's actually full stick right there. That was full aileron. That was 2 sweeps, full left to right. Nice gentle. Nice gentle mellow stick movement. And then also I have the expo set at -25 for the ailerons and for the elevator, and the ailerons lower dual rates are set at 45 and the elevator is at 65.